Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your tickets with Ticketmaster easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Ticketmaster's official website. Once on the home page, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and click it. Enter your email address and password associated with your Ticketmaster account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After logging in, look for the My Tickets section, usually found in the top menu. Click on My Tickets to access your ticket inventory. Search for the event for which you need to recover tickets. Once you find the event, click on it to view your ticket details. If your tickets are missing, check the Order Histories section under your account settings. In the order history, locate the relevant purchase and click on it. Review the ticket information, including the delivery method. If the tickets were sent via email, check your inbox for the confirmation email from Ticketmaster. If the email is not found, look in your spam or junk folder. If you still can't find your tickets, return to the My Tickets page. Click on the Resend Tickets option if available. Select your preferred delivery method to retrieve your tickets again. After confirming the delivery method, check your inbox for the resent tickets. In case your tickets are lost, reach out to Ticketmaster's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account information and details of the tickets you're trying to recover. Follow any additional steps they may require to help restore your access to the tickets. Once the process is complete, you should have your tickets successfully recovered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.